Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a focused starting point: core Python, basic linear algebra, and probability. First, open a terminal and create a virtualenv. Install NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and Jupyter. Then load a CSV into Pandas and inspect column types and missing values to orient yourself. Once done, implement a simple train/test split and run one baseline model like linear regression. This concrete beginning shows both how the tools connect and why each piece is necessary for iterative progress. Now move into building and testing models. Craft features that capture signal and reduce noise by scaling and encoding. Fit several model families: linear, tree-based, and a simple ensemble, so you can compare behavior across data patterns. Use k-fold cross-validation to estimate stability and choose metrics aligned with your goal, such as ROC/AUC for classification or RMSE for regression. Make sure to log hyperparameters and results, because tracking experiments explains why one model outperforms another when you iterate. Finish by packaging and serving a stable model. Serialize weights, build a small API, and deploy to a container or cloud instance. Monitor inputs and outputs in production to detect drift and latency issues, and automate basic health checks. If you see large performance drops, first confirm data schema and preprocessing match training. Mismatches are the most common cause. If necessary, roll back to a validated baseline pipeline while you patch the data or model. Then redeploy only after full validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.